Hello, welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see scale entities option in Solidworks 2020. Now, I have randomly sketched a hexagon and I will use scale entities option on this hexagon. Scale entities option is basically used in order to enlarge or scale in or scale out the geometry or entity that we have sketched using the sketch tools. Now let's start with this option. Here, first of all, we have to select the entities that we want to scale. I will select the entire hexagon. Here we have to select the point about which we want to scale this geometry. So I will select the center point. Here there is a copy option, means this is my original geometry and the scale geometry, which is 2 times bigger than original geometry, will be basically, so original geometry will be removed and this geometry will be maintained, okay, which is 2 times larger than this original geometry, that will be retained and original geometry will be removed. But if we keep this copy option on, both the geometry will be there, means this is our original geometry will be retained and this geometry will be copied. So here in this way we can use this option, as you can see over here. Let us use different scale point. Suppose I draw this hexagon and again if I want to scale this entire hexagon, scale about this end point, okay, this point is my point about which I want to scale this geometry. Then I want to increase its scale factor to 1.7, or let us keep it as 1.8, okay, and I select copy option. So in this way, this is our original geometry and this is the geometry that is enlarged by using scale, and it is copied and original geometry is written. Here also the original geometry is written and this geometry is 2 times bigger than this original geometry. So in this way we can scale the geometries using the scale entities option that is available in SolidWorks 2020. It's very important to understand the importance of this point about which we are scaling this geometry. So the most important parameter over here is point about which we are going to scale this copy option, okay. Copy option is again important because suppose I sketch this hexagon, I try to scale this entire hexagon, scale about my center point, this I increase to 1.5, and if I deselect this copy option, then what happens, this will be removed and this will be written, as you can see over here. So this is without copy option and we have used copy option in this too. We haven't used in this last example. So in this way we can use the scale entities option. In our next video tutorial we are going to see the use of stretch entities in SolidWorks 2020. That's all. Thank you.